So to create the king, we'll go through the same process as before. And the only thing that will be different is creating the little cross part on the top. So we'll add a mesh circle. It should still be set to have 8 vertices. Then we're going to grab that, move it, line it up with the bottom of our king. We're going to hit S to scale, and then just repeat the process like before. So, helps if I go into edit mode, and A to select all, and F for face. Select the face. Now hit E to extrude, S to scale, and so on. That up a bit. Sorry, I'm not talking a lot because it's kind of one of those activities. Once you get into it, you just really focus on the shape and you forget that you're recording a video and people are listening to what you're doing. So here at the top, we're almost ready for the cross part. Bring that in real small for this round part. So we'll kind of finish up with this shape on the top. Now, for the cross piece, we are going to go back to object mode for a minute. And we're going to, actually, I changed my mind. Let's go back to edit mode real fast by hitting tab. And I'm going to add a cube. And it would be really nice if that cube was centered right on top of this. And an easy way to do that, excuse me, is to move the 3D cursor to this point. The shortcut for that is Shift S, S to snap or move something to a location. And I want to start by moving the cursor to what is selected. So this bottom option. Oh, there we go. So you'll notice that the 3D cursor has now moved to the center of this top face. Now I'll go to object mode. I'm going to open the add menu by hitting Shift A, mesh cube. And if you'll zoom out, you'll see it's really large. So we're just going to scale that until it's really small. I'm going to look at it from the front and scale it down until it's roughly the size of the cross piece. Now that I have that, I'm going to go into edit mode. I'm going to go to face select if it's not selected. I'm going to select the top face, hit 1 on the number pad to look at it from the front. So the top, or the top of this cube is roughly where the bottom of this cross piece goes. I'm going to hit E to extrude until I'm at roughly the top of the cross piece. E to extrude again to bring up this to the very top. And now I'm going to select the right side. I'm going to orbit around, Shift select the left. So I have this left side and this right side selected. So I hit 1 on the number pad, E to extrude, but then S to scale. And I want to scale on the X axis. So hit X and then slide this out until it lines up where you want it. And that will give us the cross piece. Let's switch back to object mode. And right now, these are 2 separate parts and we want them to stay together. So I'm going to select the cross piece first. I'm going to Shift select the rest of the piece. And we're going to use the shortcut Control J to join them into one shape. Now, when I select it, they both move together. And that is completes making the king.